contributes to climate change. So you know that climate change comes from greenhouse gases, and let's imagine that greenhouse gases are the blankets around the earth, and in the past it keeps the earth warm, but nowadays because of human activities, both in household and industry, there are a lot of greenhouse gases released into our atmosphere. So it means that the temperature is increasing and they will make our planet become hotter. So these are some impacts of climate change. First is rising global temperatures, melting icebergs, natural disaster, and biodiversity. First is rising global temperatures. NASA confirms that 2024 is the warmest year on the record, and they were 2.30 degrees Fahrenheit or 1.28 degrees Celsius in 2024. Second is melting icebergs. So, like the glass of water with ice, when the ice melts, it will have more water in the glass. So, like this iceberg, when this ice in the seawater melts, it will have more water in the sea, and it will affect to sea level rises. And I have an idea is tip of this iceberg. So you see in our view, we just see a small part on the surface of the ocean, but under the ocean there are a large parts of the plastic, and the meaning is only a small part of a much larger problem. And third is natural disasters such as storms, thunderstorms, floods, and wildfire. And these natural disasters affect a lot to biodiversity loss. And now we will discover what the greenhouse gases include. First, it includes carbon dioxide or CO2. It takes the biggest part in greenhouse gases, 80%. Second is methane. It takes 10% in greenhouse gases. Third is nitrous oxide. It takes 7%. And final is chlorinated gases. It just takes a small part in greenhouse gases, 3%. And these gases also come from the activities of plastic pollution. So let's discover about it. So to produce the plastic products, first we need some materials like coal, oil, and natural gas. So they will extract fossil fuels, and this action will release a lot of methane or CH4 in our environment. And then when we have fossil fuel or crude oil, we will start to burn it. And when we burn crude oil, it creates a large amount of carbon dioxide. And then when we have crude oil, we will melting, and then we will molding it in plastic products, and it will create a lot of carbon dioxide and nitrous dioxide. And then the plastic the plastic products will be sold in some the shops, and the people will buy and use it. Then they throw the trash in the bin, and the trash car will be drop them into the landfills. And if more plastic products will be produced, more people use it, and more trash put in the landfills, it doesn't have enough space to contain, and people near there often burn it. And this action creates carbon dioxide into the air, and if we breathe it, we will have some disease about our lungs. So, in the landfills where the rains and local water combine with dirty liquid, it will become a highly toxic leachate. And this is the leachate direction. So leachate will go to the ocean and the soil, and it will affect a lot to marine life. Marine animal will die, and it will affect to our food chain a lot. And here is landfills when weather rains, and the trash in the landfills will flow through the streams, and then they end up in the ocean. And when the trash are in the ocean, they don't decompose, but they will break down into small pieces called microplastic, and then microplastic will destroy coral reefs a lot. So coral reefs is very important to marine life because they control the temperature in the ocean, and also coral reefs are home to many species of fish. And when the microplastic destroy the coral reef, it cannot breathe, and then it will turn in white and die. So it will affect to marine animals, and they can be extinct. So it will affect biodiversity loss. So, and here's some solution you can do to protect the ocean. So reduce plastic usage is a good way to do, or you can use paper or eco-friendly products instead. Maybe you can join environment organizations, and there are some organizations that they organize for us to join, and we can help the environment. And the final is using reusable products. It means that we can use again these things like reusable bottle or reusable bag. And this is the end of my part. Next, it comes back.